forgotten desert wasteland, explorers stumble upon a colossal, rusted ancient train, half buried under dunes. Strange glyphs and glowing runes pulse from its metallic frame. This is no ordinary machine. One of the explorers activates a hidden mechanism inside the train. Suddenly, gears shift, wheels scream, and the train begins to move. Not on tracks, but with limbs. It groans, as if waking from a centuries-long slumber. Before their eyes, the train fully transforms into a colossal mythical beast. A dragon-like machine with wings of steel and a horned locomotive head. It roars into the sky, lightning crackling across its armor. The colossal train beast hybrid charges toward a futuristic city, steam hissing from its iron spine, wheels grinding like thunder. Its glowing furnace eyes scan the skyline as panicked civilians run for cover. The creature, born of metal and myth, is unstoppable. The explorer confronts the train beast, holding a glowing relic. The creature halts, steam venting from its core. With a final roar, it dissolves into golden dust, vanishing into the desert. The ancient machine finally at peace.